First of all, I would like to welcome you on my channel Home Interiors. Are you looking for the modern sideboard design ideas? Then you are at the right place. Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you the amazing and modern sideboards that bring home stylish storage. Sideboards come in a wide range of styles, forms and finishes, and with a slight twist in their overall silhouette, they can be used in different ways while still becoming the focal point of any room they adorn. Most adorned sideboards rely on simple, straight lines, a hint of minimalism, and innovative design to bring the best of form and functionality together. The large surface area on top of a sideboard gives you the perfect opportunity to create a dashing and elegant display. Yet, it is the storage space beneath that often is the real winner. A sideboard can solve many of your design conundrums in a single go. In this video, you are watching the amazing sideboard designs. Whether it is called a server, credenza, a long cabinet, or a living room console, the modern sideboard is branded in a variety of ways by different decor makers. Some have short legs, while others sit even closer to the ground. Then there are those that float gently above ground to create a more visually spacious interior. There are different types of sideboard design ideas. Modern sideboards are not all about refined grey pantry and simplicity clad in a cloak of white. A revival of retro and vintage patterns has seen even sideboards being draped in flowery finishes. What was a piece of decor that one would hope to find on the set of that 70s shows has now become a common addition to the contemporary living room, entry, or even the dining room. If the flowery pattern seems like a touch too much, then simple stripes or even chevron finish can do the trick. The wooden sideboards has been revitalized by the recent decorating trend that has seen a spurt in the use of natural materials and locally sourced timber. Apart from being a more eco-conscious choice, these fabulous wooden sideboards in textural contrast without seem out of place. Style and decorate them in an understated fashion to ensure that it is a sideboard that manages to garner the most attention. So this was all about the sideboard design ideas. If this video is beneficial to you, then please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button.